I'm here in Southern California, and I stopped while here on Bundy Drive. It's a very significant place to me. It was right here at this house that I used to take private voice lessons. But it was more than just voice lessons. It was training a very insecure 21, 22-year-old young man to have stage presence. I was very shy and reclusive. My dad died when I was 7. My stepdad left when I was 13, and I really lacked male direction. And God raised Earl Brent to help me, and he dedicated his time to me. He wasn't married, and he worked at MGM for years and years. He started when The Wizard of Oz was filmed, and then he began to write show tunes and songs for famous people. And he became well known in the industry at his time and season. And God used that man to train me to walk in and out, on and off of stages, to address people, to have confidence in speaking publicly. Little did I know that God would use Earl Brent to someday launch Mantle Ministries in a remarkable way. God trained me through Earl to be used nationwide as an evangelist. And I'm so thankful that God had directed that steps. And on top of all that, the coolest thing is, he kept telling me, he was already in his late 60s, that he was going to leave the royalties to his songs to me. I had no idea as a young man what that meant. But lo and behold, when I launched Mantle Ministries in my 30s, God used that estate to come to me. Earl had just passed on. As I was going to launch Mantle Ministries nationwide, God used that income to seed faith my ministry as we went forward, to pay for our fuel and our lodging as we traveled. And I'm so thankful for Earl, and this is somewhat being dedicated to him, but more than that, to show my gratitude to my Heavenly Father for giving me a man that would input into my life, somewhat help disciple an aimless young man that needed strength, purpose, vision, and direction. An application I'd like to make as a devotion is think that sometimes in the areas that we're weak, God sends others to come alongside and help strengthen us and give us what we don't have within ourselves. No man stands alone. No man is an island. We need one another. And God sent Earl to really help solidify that. He made something out of me when I felt I couldn't achieve. He made an achiever, gave me vision, purpose, and direction. God can do that in your life. Look for ways to seek the Lord and ask Him to bring people into your life that will help balance you and give you opportunities that will help enhance the direction that God may have for you. So I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.